Lovely weather. Not, but it is just what I need for testing this Giwil automatic folding umbrella. It's quite compact in size, it folds down, is easy to carry, and it also includes this case which after use you can pop it back into, so you can store a soggy wet brolly in a bag or briefcase without the other contents getting wet. This is the brolly all rolled up after use, and I think it's about to be used again at any moment. To use it, just open it up, and you can see here there's an up and down arrow which is used for opening and closing the umbrella. There's a nice silicone rubber hand grip here which is quite grippy even when wet, and in cold weather it feels warm to the touch, and there's a wrist strap here as well. So let's have a look at it in use and see how well it works. The umbrella opens easily by pressing here on the up arrow and opens quickly, smoothly and easily. And you can now see that inside the umbrella there are 10 ribs rather than the usual 8. So that gives it that extra bit of stability in windy weather. Now in use, it has 105 centimetres diameter, so it gives good coverage of both the user and maybe a companion as well. So 2 people can fit comfortably beneath it and stay nice and dry. As we now look at the top of the umbrella, you can see that the rain doesn't just soak into it but remains on the surface. That's probably thanks to its Teflon coating, and the water, the rain, just simply rolls off. So after use it doesn't remain soggy and need overnight drying in the bath. Again, you can see the water is just rolling off. There, so it dries very quickly. You can also give it a good shake as well and watch the rain slide off. And now where the rain slid off, you can see it's almost dry. So it is quite fast drying. Then after use, to take the umbrella down, just press on the down arrow. It collapses instantly. Then press the top to the bottom, it clicks into place, shake off the surplus rain, and now you can pop it back in the cover, almost dry, and store it until it's needed next time. So definitely a good brolly. It does the job, it keeps the user dry and a companion dry, dries quickly, and is very, very useful, especially in weather like this.